If you're the kind of person who loves the smell of sawdust and the satisfaction of creating something with your hands, then you're going to love this list. Woodworking is all about precision, creativity, and the right tools. And sometimes, the right tool can completely change how you work. From clever measuring gadgets to time-saving power tools, these 17 genius woodworking tools on Amazon are designed to make your projects faster, easier, and a lot more enjoyable. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a seasoned craftsman, these finds will have you saying, "Why didn't I get this sooner?" Four-in-one ruler. The Saker 4-in-1 ruler is a true game changer for woodworkers and DIY lovers alike. Priced at just $27, this multifunctional tool combines measuring, marking, drilling, and aligning in one sleek design. Its durable aluminum body and 3 adjustable positioning blocks offer precision and stability for every project, from cabinet making to door installations. Dual bubble levels ensure perfect alignment, while ABS knobs make fine adjustments effortless. With wear-resistant markings for long-lasting clarity, the Saker 4-in-1 ruler delivers professional accuracy in a compact, easy-to-use package. TOLESA Blades. The TOLESA Blades are a serious upgrade for anyone who works with wood or tackles home repairs. Priced at $27, they feature triple ground Japanese teeth and a curved tech design that delivers smoother, faster cuts with less vibration. Their titanium coating boosts durability, helping them last up to twice as long as standard bimetal blades, meaning fewer replacements and more savings. From wood and plastic to nails and metal, they handle tough materials with ease, making them ideal for flooring, trim work, and remodeling jobs. Reliable, versatile, and built for performance, TOLESA blades make every cut count. Handsaw. The Japanese handsaw is an essential tool for anyone passionate about woodworking or DIY projects. Priced at just $13, it combines precision, control, and craftsmanship in one compact design. Its 6-inch SK5 high-carbon steel blade ensures strength and flexibility, making it perfect for clean flush and finish cuts. Featuring double-edged teeth, 17 TPI for hardwood and 14 TPI for softwood, it adapts easily to different materials. The triple-edged teeth design provides smoother, faster cuts with minimal effort. Lightweight yet durable, this handsaw delivers professional results without breaking the bank. Contour gauge. The Jurist Contour Gauge is a must-have for anyone who values precision and efficiency in their projects. Priced at $23, it comes in 3 adjustable sizes, 5, 10, and 15 inches, making it perfect for tracing complex shapes with ease. Its double-sided scale in both inches and centimeters, paired with ultra-thin 0.05-inch blades, delivers exceptional accuracy. Whether you're cutting flooring, tiling, or shaping molding, this gauge ensures a perfect fit every time. With adjustable blade tightness for added control, the Jurist Contour Gauge is durable, versatile, and built for flawless craftsmanship. NanoBlade Saw the Bosch. NanoBlade Saw, priced at £117, is a cutting-edge tool that brings precision and ease to woodworking. Featuring innovative nanoblade technology, it delivers vibration-free performance and maintenance-free operation, ensuring smooth, accurate cuts every time. Ideal for both freehand and plunge cutting, it effortlessly handles wood and plastic with impressive control. Its ergonomic design enhances comfort, while compatibility with Bosch's Power for All Alliance means one battery powers 150+ tools across multiple brands. Compact, durable, and efficient, the NanoBlade Saw is a must-have for professionals and DIYers alike. Hedgehog Featherboard. The Hedgehog Featherboard, priced at $35, is a brilliant addition to any table saw setup, combining precision, safety, and simplicity. Designed to fit standard 3/4-inch miter slots, it's compatible with popular brands like Bosch and Ryobi. Its clever single knob, pivot point design allows for quick, one-handed adjustments, streamlining your workflow. The spiral featherboard design holds your workpiece securely against the fence, delivering cleaner, smoother cuts while minimizing kickback risks. Durable, easy to use, and highly effective, the Hedgehog Featherboard is a smart upgrade for both hobbyists and professional woodworkers. Chisel Sharpener. The Chisel Sharpener, priced at $37, is an essential tool for anyone who values precision and performance in woodworking. Its honing guide locks chisels at perfect angles, guaranteeing a consistent, razor-sharp edge with every use. The widened roller design adds extra stability, preventing tipping and making sharpening effortless. Compatible with chisels and planer blades from 0.2 to 2.55 inches, it covers all common sizes with ease. Built from durable, rust-resistant aluminum alloy, this tool is made to last. Simple, accurate, and efficient. The Chisel Sharpener keeps your tools in peak condition. Scribing Tool. The Scribing Tool, priced at $30, is a smart, multi-purpose gadget that brings precision and convenience to every woodworking or home improvement project. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy with an anodized finish, it's both durable and resistant to wear. Its adjustable pencil holder allows for clean, accurate lines and arcs, while the engraved scale ensures consistent precision. Compact, lightweight, and equipped with a handy belt clip, it's perfect for on-the-go use. With over 15 marking applications, this scribing tool simplifies measuring, marking, and crafting with professional-level accuracy. Nicpro Pencil. The Nicpro Carpenter pencil set, priced at just $9, is an affordable and reliable marking solution for professionals and DIYers alike. It includes 2 sturdy pencils, 26 refills, a built-in sharpener, and a convenient storage box. Everything you need for precision work. The 45mm extended tip easily reaches tight spots and deep holes, while the 2.8mm strong lead resists breaking for long-lasting use. Available in 3 bright colors, these pencils mark clearly on wood, metal, plastic, and more. Compact, durable, and efficient, the Nicpro pencil set ensures accurate marking every time. Saker Mini Chainsaw. The Saker Mini Chainsaw, priced at $52, is a compact powerhouse designed for effortless cutting and trimming. Featuring an upgraded copper motor and a premium guide chain, it delivers smooth, fast cuts on wood and branches. Weighing just 1.1 kilograms, it's light enough for one-handed operation, reducing fatigue during extended use. Powered by a 20-volt rechargeable battery, it provides impressive runtime and quick recharging. With built-in safety features like a lock trigger, handguard, and protective cover, the Saker Mini Chainsaw is a safe, efficient, and versatile tool for everyday use. RAK Magnetic Wristband. The RAK Magnetic Wristband, priced at $20, is a genius little helper that keeps your small metal parts right where you need them. Featuring 10 powerful magnets, it securely holds screws, nails, bolts, and drill bits, saving you constant trips to the toolbox. Made from durable, breathable nylon, the adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit for long hours of work. Ideal for woodworking, DIY repairs, or auto projects, it's like having an extra hand on the job. Compact, practical, and affordable, the RAK Magnetic Wristband makes every project smoother and more efficient. Bevel products. Mini PushPRO PP2. The Bevel products. Mini PushPRO PP2, priced at $18, is a must-have for woodworkers who value safety and precision. Its high-density EVA tip provides exceptional grip, vibration control, and feed stability, resulting in smoother, cleaner cuts. Unlike traditional plastic push sticks, the EVA material is non-marring, perfect for protecting soft woods and ensuring even stain or glue absorption. The replaceable, reversible tip also resists blade damage for long-lasting performance. Compact and ergonomic, the Mini PushPRO PP2 delivers superior control and peace of mind when working with table saws, jointers, and more. Flattening Tool. The Saker. Flattening Tool, priced at $34, is a reliable and precise woodworking companion. Designed for trimming, chamfering, and smoothing, it offers adjustable cutting depth for exceptional control on any wood type. Its built-in horizontal and vertical bubbles ensure perfect leveling, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended use. The durable carbon steel blades produce sharp, clean cuts, and the safety-retaining edge enhances protection. Compact, sturdy, and easy to maneuver, this tool delivers professional quality results, ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned woodworkers alike. Kreg Hole Jig. The Kreg Hole Jig, priced at $99, is a must-have for anyone who values strong, precise wood joints. Its pocket hole joinery system makes assembling projects quick and foolproof. Just drill, drive, and you're done. The adjustable K4 jig handles materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, while its 3-hole drill guide guarantees perfect alignment. A large clamping recess and removable drill guide add convenience for both benchtop and on-site use. Built for durability and accuracy, the Kreg Hole Jig delivers professional results for DIY and woodworking projects alike. WETOLS Corner Clamp. The WETOLS Corner Clamp, priced at $15, is a handy and reliable tool for achieving perfect 90-degree joints. Ideal for woodworkers and DIY projects, it securely holds boards from 3/16 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch thick, making it great for boxes, frames, and cabinets. Built from durable polyamide, it offers long-lasting strength, while the powerful spring keeps materials firmly aligned during assembly. Convenient and easy to use, this set of 4 clamps ensures accuracy and stability. In every project, packaged in a neat gift box, it's a smart and affordable woodworking essential. JORGENSEN 36-inch Parallel Bar Clamp. The JORGENSEN 36-inch Parallel Bar Clamp, priced at $90, is a robust and reliable tool for woodworking and furniture making. Its industrial-grade steel bar resists bending, while the upgraded screw delivers up to 2,200 pounds of clamping force for secure, precise glue-ups. The sliding jaw doubles as a spreader, and the ergonomic soft grip handle ensures comfortable, controlled use. Featuring a soft landing system, included accessories, and replaceable jaw pads, this clamp offers strength, accuracy, and convenience, making it an indispensable addition to any workshop or DIY enthusiast's toolkit. DEWALT Double Bevel Sliding Miter. Saw. The DEWALT Double Bevel Sliding Miter Saw, priced at $500, is a high-performance tool built for serious woodworking. Its 15-amp, 3,800 RPM motor powers through heavy cuts effortlessly, while the integrated cut line system ensures precise, adjustment-free accuracy. Sliding fences support large crown and base moldings, and it easily handles dimensional lumber up to 2x14 at 90 degrees and 2x10 at 45 degrees. Dual bevel capability, an oversized stainless steel miter plate, and efficient dust collection capturing over 75% of debris make this saw a perfect combination of power, precision, and convenience.